Muscles serve as the main drivers of movement in the human body. They are responsible for a wide range of activities, from the simple actions of walking and talking to the complex performances of athletic endeavors. To understand how muscles function, one must first comprehend the basic anatomy of muscle tissue, the process of muscle contraction, and the factors that affect muscle strength and endurance. Muscle tissue is composed of long, thin cells known as muscle fibers. These fibers are grouped into bundles, which together form the muscle. There are three main types of muscle tissue: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Skeletal muscles are responsible for voluntary movements and are attached to bones by tendons. Cardiac muscles are found in the heart and are responsible for pumping blood. Smooth muscles are located in various organs and vessels, controlling involuntary movements such as digestion and blood flow. The process of muscle contraction begins with a signal from the nervous system. When the brain decides to move a muscle, it sends an electrical impulse through the spinal cord and peripheral nerves to the muscle fibers. This impulse triggers the release of calcium ions within the muscle cells, which in turn interact with proteins called actin and myosin. The interaction between these proteins causes the muscle fibers to slide past each other, shortening the muscle and producing a contraction. Muscle strength is influenced by several factors, including the size and number of muscle fibers, the rate at which nerve impulses are delivered to the muscle, and the muscle's capacity to store and utilize energy. Regular exercise and resistance training can increase muscle strength by stimulating the growth of muscle fibers and enhancing the efficiency of neural connections. Additionally, proper nutrition is essential for maintaining muscle health, as proteins, vitamins, and minerals play crucial roles in muscle repair and energy production. Endurance, on the other hand, refers to the muscle's ability to sustain prolonged activity. It is largely dependent on the muscle's ability to generate energy aerobically through the consumption of oxygen. Endurance training, such as long-distance running or cycling, can improve the muscle's aerobic capacity by increasing the number of mitochondria in muscle cells and enhancing the efficiency of the cardiovascular system. In summary, muscles are vital to the body's ability to perform both everyday tasks and extraordinary feats. Understanding the mechanisms of muscle function and employing strategies to enhance muscle strength and endurance can lead to better overall health and physical performance.